This is our new experiment.
Okay, so what do we have?
And we have
Bicarbonate of soda
bicarbonate of soda, soap,
and vinegar
vinegar, and food coloring.
and food coloring. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make an experiment where we make a volcano. Okay, so first we put in a little of food coloring. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, that's too much, but it's okay. You can close it. Okay, and then we put in bicarbonate of soda.
My dad's just going to put the bicarbonate of soda in.
Okay, and then we put in a little bit of soap. Put in a little bit of soap. Okay, then we put in some vinegar.
Some vinegar.
And then there's going to be a chemical reaction and there's going to be carbon dioxide coming off and it's going to make bubbles. Whoa!
You see that? Now the volcanoes erupt.
What?
Now all of the dinosaurs are dead.
Oh. The dinosaur's dead. Oh no, there's a chicken. The chicken is dying. Oh no.
Oh no, doe nog een dier.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.